Welcome to the Nature's Guide, your peaceful corner on the internet, where we connect with nature, one green leaf at a time. Today, we're going to uncover something truly powerful. Not store-bought, not chemical, not expensive, but made from simple things. Already in your kitchen and garden. Yes, we're talking about 6 amazing homemade fertilizers that will bring your plants back to life, help them grow stronger roots, greener leaves, and more blooms, all naturally. So whether you're a balcony gardener or a backyard grower, get ready to nourish your plants the way nature intended. On number 1, banana peel fertilizer, potassium powerhouse. Let's start with something you probably throw away every day: banana peels. Bananas are rich in potassium and phosphorus, essential for flower and fruit development. Instead of tossing the peels in the trash, use them to create a powerful natural fertilizer. Cut the banana peels into small pieces and bury them around your plant roots. As they decompose, they release nutrients slowly into the soil. You can also blend them with water to create a banana peel smoothie. Pour it into the soil for a quick potassium boost. Best for flowering plants like roses, hibiscus, tomatoes, and even indoor flowering varieties. It's like giving your plants an energy drink, all from your kitchen waste. On number 2, crushed eggshell fertilizer, calcium for strong roots. Eggshells are often overlooked, but they are full of calcium, a mineral vital for strong roots and cell growth. If your plants show curling leaves or weak stems, they might be lacking calcium. Collect eggshells, wash them, and let them dry. Then crush into fine powder using a mortar, blender, or grinder. Sprinkle this powder directly into the potting soil, or mix it with compost for slow nutrient release. You can soak the crushed shells in water overnight and use that calcium-rich water the next day. Great for tomatoes, peppers, spinach, and plants that love calcium. On number 3, rice water fertilizer, micronutrient magic. Next time you rinse rice before cooking, don't throw that water away. That cloudy liquid is packed with starch, vitamins, and trace nutrients, a gentle tonic for your plants. Collect the water used to rinse rice. Let it sit for a few hours. Then pour it at the base of your plants. It promotes healthy bacteria in the soil and encourages nutrient absorption. Perfect for houseplants, herbs, leafy greens, and baby seedlings. It's nature's version of a mild multivitamin. Easy, fast, and free. On number 4, compost tea, the all-in-one elixir. Compost tea is like a magic potion for plants. It delivers beneficial microbes, nutrients, and organic matter straight into the roots, or even sprayed on leaves. Take a handful of well-rotted compost, place it in a cloth or old sock, steep it in a bucket of water for 24 to 48 hours. Stir occasionally to activate the microbes. Once ready, pour this tea onto the soil or spray it on the leaves. Make sure the compost is organic and fully decomposed. Avoid meat or dairy-based scraps. This one works for everything: veggies, flowers, indoor or outdoor plants. On number 5, vegetable scrap enzyme fertilizer, fermented growth booster. Fermenting kitchen scraps creates an enzyme-rich liquid that boosts plant metabolism and soil life. Take chopped fruit and veggie peels. Mix with brown sugar and water, 3:1:10 ratio. Store in a sealed container for 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to open the lid occasionally to release gas. Once fermented, dilute 1 part of the liquid in 10 parts water and feed your plants. Great for all kinds of potted plants and vegetables. It improves soil structure and makes nutrients more available. Yes, it smells strong, but your plants will thank you. On number 6, used tea leaves and coffee grounds, nitrogen-rich boost. Don't toss your used tea or coffee grounds yet. They are rich in nitrogen, essential for leafy growth and lush greenery. Dry the used tea or coffee grounds. Mix them into the topsoil or compost. But moderation is key. Too much can make the soil too acidic. Balance it out with eggshells or wood ash if needed. Perfect for leafy plants like money plant, ferns, spinach, and mint. You'll see results in just 1 to 2 weeks. And bonus, coffee grounds naturally repel pests like ants and snails. Let's take a quick look at the 6 natural fertilizers you can make at home. Banana peel fertilizer for flowers and fruits. Eggshell powder for root and stem strength. Rice water for micronutrient boost. Compost tea for full spectrum plant health. Fermented enzyme fertilizer for soil improvement. Used tea or coffee grounds for lush, green leaves. Simple ingredients, powerful results, and 0 chemicals. Test your homemade fertilizers on a small patch of soil first. Use only organic scraps. Avoid anything oily, salty, or overly processed. Combine different fertilizers over time to give plants a balanced diet. Store liquid fertilizers in a cool, dark place and use within 1 or 2 weeks. And most importantly, observe your plants. They'll always tell you what they need. And there you have it, friends. Your very own green toolkit to grow healthier, happier plants the natural way. It's amazing how simple kitchen scraps, when given a second life, can feed the soil and your soul. If this video inspired you, leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Nature's Guide for more plant wisdom, eco-living tips, and a deeper connection with the world around you. Which of these fertilizers have you tried? Or do you have a secret recipe of your own? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear your garden stories. Until next time, stay green, stay grounded, and keep growing with the Nature's Guide.